Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Adda 24/7, the special session of your BRBL subject in the English medium language. So before starting this session, I would like to say you that your registration is going on. So do not forget to register yourself for the CIB June exam 2025, and whatever the guidelines directions which is given from the IRBF website, please read it carefully. And we have also shown you the generic session in which you can easily just solve your doubts. Okay, so this is your selection pro batch. Suppose if you are new in this session, okay, so selection pro batch, that is going to be start from 8th of March. Okay, if you want to enroll in this batch, you have to apply the coupon code that is Y391 for the maximum discount. In this selection pro batch, we have a proper live class, recorded session of the live class, then we have proper mock paper, ebooks, etc. So if you want to take this selection pro batch, okay, so apply the coupon code Y391 for the maximum discount. This is very much important. And we also have a previous batches, that is focus, bonus, target and increment batch. You can also take these batches for your selection. Okay, now class, okay, sorry, this is your module B. Okay, and today we are going to start Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Okay, so today we are going to start the module B. The heading is wrong, but it's okay. Okay, so what exactly the money laundering is? So first of all, you have to understand, see, prevention of, what is this? Prevention of money laundering. Okay, prevention of money laundering is not given in prevention of, so sorry, the money laundering definition is not given in the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. This thing you have to remember. Is that okay? So where the definition is given, so guys, the definition is not given. The money laundering word is not given in the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. So basically what it means, so it is the illegal process of making large amount of money, okay, that is generated by criminal activity such as drug trafficking or terrorist funding and appear to have come from the legitimate source. That is called money laundering. Suppose I will just show you the process in which how the black money is converted into the white money. So to prevent this one, we have a Money Laundering Act. Okay, now let's move toward the diagram. See the class. This is your diagram. Okay, so a typical money laundering scheme done. So one by one, I'm just going to tell you what exactly this means. So first of all, class C, there is a collection of dirty money. Collection of dirty money means that is the black money. Okay, this is your black money, right? So suppose this person have a black money, suppose that person do not pay the tax. So if he is not paying tax, that is called dirty money, black money. So now he want to convert into the legal one. So he just go to the bank. Okay, he just go to the bank. Suppose in bank, the manager is the very close friend of this person. Suppose this is your A person and this is M person. Okay, so in bank, manager is there, manager is a very good friend. So now this person is giving money to the bank. So giving money, that is called what? Placement. What is this? Just a minute. This is black money. Okay, this is black money. This is A person and bank have a manager. So when this person is giving money to the bank, that is called placement. What is this? This is called placement. Okay, so that person is giving money to the bank. Now the dirty money integrate into the financial system. Now the manager is, just transferring money to here and there so that nobody can understand that where the money come from. Okay, you can see here, transfer on the bank account of a company X, wire transfer, this is bank offshore, loan company to Y, payment by Y of the false invoice to the company. It means the bank is now just transferring money from here to there so that nobody can recognize that where the money come from. Okay, this process is called class what? Layering. What is this? This process is called what? Layering. Okay, this is called layering. So this is placement, this is layering. Okay, after that you can see placement, layering, and now it's a integration. Now suppose if a company have a money, now the company is purchasing the assets. So by purchasing the assets, okay, okay, now purchasing the asset, the money is coming back. So now this money is called white money. Okay, this money is called what? The white money. Okay, so this is your important process, and this process is called integration. What is this? This is called integration. Okay, so there is a three process, that is a placement, layering, and integration, where the money transfer from one person to another person. Okay, so this is important one. Now class, one by one, first of all we will cover the summary, then we will do the question. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act was enacted to prevent the money laundering. In 2012 amendment, the definition of money laundering was enlarged. Okay, it's include activities such as concealment, acquisition, possession, use of proceed of crime as criminal activities, and the act also provide rigorous punishment for the offense of money laundering. Is that okay? So this is the what? So again I'm telling you the word the word money laundering is not given. Okay, the word money laundering is not given in money laundering act. Okay, but the word offense of money laundering is given. The offense of money laundering is given. Okay, now certain obligation have been cast on banking complaints, financial institution, and intermediaries to maintain the record of transaction, identify of the client. So see class, in the bank, so many types of client come in the bank. Okay, so this is the duty of a bank. This is the duty of a bank to just check in a KYC. Suppose if the partnership firm is coming, so what are the documents that they need to require to see? So it is the work of particular client. Okay, so always remember, if the transaction is above 10 lakh, it needs to be maintained as a record. That is important one. Okay, the director appointed by central government has right to call for records, impose penalty if she found that the banking company has failed to comply the requirement of the act. Okay, central government has, in consultation with RBI, okay, in consultation with RBI, framed the rules, that is prevention of money laundering, maintenance of record of the nature and value transaction, the procedure and the manner of maintaining and time for furnishing information, verification of maintenance of record of the identity of clients and the banking companies, financial institution and intermediate rules 2004. So this is the name, guys. This is the particular name. Okay. So central government means, as we know that if we talk about the central government, so that's a three part: legislature, executive, judiciary. Legislature, that is a parliament. Okay. And parliament, legislature, sorry, parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, president will sign, then it become the law. Okay. Then it become the law. So this is your this part. Done. It also has been amended a few times. So this is important one. Done, class. This is the important part. Now, the rule prescribe what record are to be maintained, retention of record, verification of identity of client, furnishing information in respect of transaction to the director. Though statute imposes a stringent punishment to minimize the money laundering, court cases show as illustrated in the unit that penalizing under this one. So class, always remember, under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, the minimum punishment is 3 years and the maximum is 7-year punishment. So this is just like your Prevention of Corruption Act. Okay, this is just like a Prevention of Corruption Act that we have read. Done, class? So this is important part. Now let's understand the question. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act does not apply to the banking transaction. Tell me, class. So class, that is what? The prevention of does not apply to banking transaction. This is absolutely the false statement. Okay, this is absolutely the false statement. The term money laundering has been defined in Prevention of Money Laundering 2002. That is very important question. The term money laundering is defined under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. That is absolutely the false statement because the word is not defined in Money Laundering Act. Okay. Director under the act is appointed by Reserve Bank of India. Director. Director under the act is appointed by the Reserve Bank of India. That is true and false. So for the third one, that is absolutely false. Okay, this is the false statement. Record of transactions specified under the Act is to be maintained for 5 years. Tell me, guys. So class, record or transaction, that is absolutely the true statement. Okay. Now, RBI and SBI can prescribe the nature of record to be maintained by the banking company. Fifth, RBI and SEBI. So RBI is the regulator of bank and SEBI is the regulator of stock market. So fifth one, RBI and SEBI prescribe the nature of records to be maintained by the banking company. That is absolutely the true statement. Okay, now documents to be verified depend upon the types of client, because see, in this act we have a different types of client, just like company, individual, unincorporated association, partnership firm, LLP, etc. So there are so many clients that come in front of the bank. Bank have to verify the client. So there are different documents that need to be required for the different kinds of client. Okay. So documents to be verified depend upon the types of client. That is true statement. Bank is not required to inquiry the financial status of the client. Bank is not required to inquiry the financial status of the client. Seventh, that is false. Okay, that is false. Okay, seventh is false. All cash transaction, okay, of the value more than 10 lakh or equivalents in foreign currency are covered by this act. That is very important. Very important part. Very important part, class. So class, that is absolutely the true statement. Okay, this is absolutely the true statement. So guys, that's all for today's. So you can see that from 8th of March, your CIB selection pro batch is coming. Okay, first of all, for this you have to apply the coupon code, that is Y391, for the maximum discount. So we have also the target batch, increment pro batch, bonus batch and focus batch, but these are the previous batches. If you want to take if you want to just see the live classes, so this is your selection pro batch in which you will get the proper live class according to your time. Okay, then you have a proper recorded session, PDF, mock paper, ebooks, doubt session, and each teacher also have a social media so that you can easily connect with the teachers. So these are the things that you are getting in the selection pro batch. There is no elective classes in this batch. For elective one, you have to enroll in the recorded video session of the elective paper. But if you purchase the CIB ka Mahapack na, in CIB ka Mahapack, the things are different. So first of all, in this slide, I'm highlighting the selection pro batch. I think the seats are very limited, so please enroll in this batch. After that, you have a proper CIB different subject subscription. Okay, you can also take this subscription. Then you have a proper video course where no live class will be there. Okay, then we have a proper mock test. Then we have a ebooks. Okay, then CIB proper books. Proper book means, suppose if I just talk about the BRBL book, so in my BRBL book there are 1800 plus questions in every format. Then we have a summary of the act, we have a definition terms of the act. Okay, then we have a 2 mock paper. Okay, and I think this is one of the best one. If you solve all the question now, it is the guaranteed one, you will clear the BRBL paper. Okay, and then we have also this CIB BFM paper, BFM book. Okay, that is written by, with the help of Praveen sir. Okay, and you can also take the combo of BFM and your BRBL subject. Okay, Then we have a CIB ka Mahapack. So I'm just telling you the CIB ka Mahapack is basically CIB ka Mahapack okay, proper double validity is going on. Then if you enroll in the CIB ka Mahapack, you will get the previous session of marathon and the mini marathon, because so many candidates crack this paper with the help of marathon and the mini marathon. Is that okay? So CIB ka Mahapack also include live classes of English plus bilingual classes. Okay, we have a elective paper video courses also. Okay, so many things are available in the CIB ka Mahapack. So if you want to enroll in the CIB ka Mahapack, you can easily purchase through the website. Okay, there are two processes. The first is Adda 24/7 website. Okay, and then we have a Adda app. So if you just enroll through the Adda app, you will get 1% more discount. Okay, by website you will get 80%, and by this you will get 81%. So it's on you that you want it from website or you want it from the mobile. So this is all about your CIB ka Mahapack. So guys, do not forget to enroll either in the single batch or in CIB ka Mahapack. The benefit that we are giving in CIB ka Mahapack, because we also launched the revision batch and crash course batch. So revision batch and crash course batch is available in the CIB ka Mahapack also. So that's all for today's, and I hope so you people